Okay, this is the second one. I don't know if this is going to work, but it's the only way, without you having to come over here, of getting it filmed. So, there's two supers on here. One is the old super that we originally put on. It's probably a bit noisy. This is the one that was filled up with in the spring we filled this one up, if you remember. This is now full of honey. Absolutely full. I can tell you that that's heavy. I wondered why earlier today. I thought they were swarming, but perhaps they've got nowhere else. I've got a feeling I could even put a third super on here. That's full of honey. All of these frames are full up. They're absolutely full. I could really bring that back to Eggleston. I assume it's going to be heather honey, so it's going to be a bastard. Anyway, the reason I'm going into them really is just to give them some Varroa treatment. This frame, this super, is heavy. I'll put that down there for now. I think they must have... The new one, which I put on underneath for some stupid reason, isn't full up, so I won't need to put another super on. However, it does have some frames in it, as you can see here. Plenty of honey in there. Dripping, in fact. Absolutely dripping. I'm just going to put that down there. So I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to take this one off now because primarily I'm in here to treat the bees. And I need again, this is really heavy. These bees are not very happy. But I need as you can see, unlike the ones at Eggleston, there's quite some activity here. I'll show you. I'm really pissing these bees off. So, but as I said to you, what I'm here to do is to put some of this stuff on, this hive clear. I've been doing this. This is there. Now I've put that on all of there. I wish they would appreciate the fact that I'm actually trying to help them, but I don't suppose it's much you can expect. Let's have a look at one. There. Right, that's that. I've really pissed these off. I've now got to take my glove off to turn the bloody film off, but never mind. Just one last look for you.